Addie, or for Mackenzie.
Back.
Get it out there. Stay on it. Get up there, Hannah. Get to it.
Go get it out.
Hannah, don't be afraid to get in there.
Go, Ellie, go!
Get to it. Back. Back. Range it back.
Tornadoes. Go, go, tornadoes. Go, 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 tornadoes. Go, go,
Mark up, girls.
go, tornadoes. Go, go, tornadoes. Go, tornadoes. Go, go, tornadoes. Let's go, tornadoes! Let's go! Let's go, tornadoes! Let's go!
Get up the field,
Let's
Ava.
go, tornadoes! Let's go! Let's go, tornadoes! Let's go! Pressure!
Kick it to the corners.
Take it to the corner flag! Let's go! Let's go, tornadoes!
Get.
Kick it, Carly. Kick it. Outside. Outside. Down the corner. Down the corner. All right. Back up, Carly. Back up. Back up, Kylie. Get back there, Kylie. Their ball. Back up. Back up. Hannah. Hannah, get in there.
What was that?
Come on, girls. Girls, there's too many of you in there.
Upside.
Girls, position. Lila, if they're there, you got to play back, okay?
Right there, right there. Stay right there. Look out, turn around. Get ready.
Find the split.
It's over here. Lila, over here. Lila. Down the side, Lila. No.
Mark up, girls. Let's go. Up. Send it. Right.
Yeah, Ava!
Come on, Ava.
Austin! Austin! Don't cross the field!
Out the rain. Cut it off. Hannah, get back towards the middle. Okay, follow it. Up the solid, get the solid. Get ready, girls, girls, girls.
Hey, listen up. When I do the subs, it's Zaya for Ava, Haley for Hannah M, Maddie for Mackenzie, Addie R for Hannah W.
Girls, don't crowd.
Out at the 50. On the 50.
Get into the Get into the middle, Mackenzie. There you go. Get it to the middle. There you go. All right, now get in there. Work. Get back to it. Get back to it. Work to the outside.
Good teamwork.
Get back, Kai.
What is it? That's yours.
All right, get back here. Yeah, mark up, mark
Get in front of somebody, Haley.
up. Mark up, Haley. Mark up, Haley.
Go, Kylie.
Come on, Haley.
Yeah.
Get- Down the field. Get back. Get back. Lila. Addie, oh, you're a defensive back. A defensive mid.
Who's somebody's out of position
No,
here.
she is. She's right.
Or, no, I'm just saying this. They got 4 girls. One shot.
Pat, no.
Haley, you're offsides.
You're all offsides. Get back, Haley. Get back. Okay, get ready.
Julia, you're outside mid. Grace Hamilton, you're in front of Grace over here.
Go, 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 go.
That's you, Grace.
Get Haley.
All right.
Don't foul.
Layla, Lena, Hannah W.
Don't foul, Haley. Come
Layla, Lena, Hannah W.
Pull it back in, yep.
Layla, Lena, Hannah W. Take her lap.
on.
Hurry
Go,
up.
go, 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 go. Get down, get down, get down. Get it out. Get it out. There you go.
Eyes up, eyes
Haley.
up. Turn around, turn around.
Stutter steps coming up defensively. Take your steps. Take your steps.
That's it, Grace.
Talk, girls. Talk. What? You girls have to talk.
Nice, Eddie.
Get to it.
Nice, Ray.
Stand up at the...
Get up there, Haley.
Again.
Come on, get to it. Haley, get to it. Oh my God. Haley. Split. Try to get for the split. Go.
Kylie out. Kylie out.
Laurie, you got some gas in those days.
Hannah White, you stay in that back corner. No. You're right. You're to throw in.
Yeah.
Okay, you can throw in.
All right, keep downfield, Haley. Downfield.
Behind the line. Behind the line.
Back. All right. Yeah.
Get back there. Stay in the defense, Hannah.
That's your spot, Hannah. There you go. How long have we been playing?
3 more minutes. Ava, Hannah White, Mackenzie come in.
Go. Shoot! Shoot! Get to it. Get
Go,
to it,
Haley. Pass it. Pass it.
Zaya, you gotta pass that.
Pass it.
Get back. Get back. Pass it up for it. Get to it, Zaya. How much game?
All right.
Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Ava,
Play, play,
Hannah,
play,
and
go
Mackenzie.
back. Yeah, get up, girls.
Out wide.
Go.
Who are we going in for? I'm going in for Haley.
Ava first. Hannah.
Out, Hannah.
Eyes up, Jake.
Hannah, stay back here. You're on defense.
Hannah.
Haley, come back.
Let it bounce, Haley.
Okay. Get back,
Get
Hannah.
back, girls. Get back. Get back, girls. There you go.
LEA's moving, LEP's moving, Amari's moving, making space. Amari.
Man, you're in so
Hit, mark up. Come on, girls. All right, girls, get ready. Yeah.
They won't let us.
Just, all right, here. Get out of. Get rid of it.
Somebody needs to or no, yeah, Zaya's being subbed with Ava anyway. Lila, get up there. You're going for Layla. Kylie.
There you go, Hannah. You got people up front.
want to go to
Go.
midfield
Go,
kind of.
Hannah.
Go figure out.
Who am I going? Who am I going in for?
Hannah.
I gotta figure out
Remember,
who's
we
been
cross
out there
those,
well.
okay?
You go in
Cross those.
for.
Got him in the middle of the field.
There you go.
Has Haley been out yet? Haley, no.
Kenzie?
Where is Mackenzie out there?
Girls, get back.
Yeah.
Where's Mackenzie at?
She's left wing.
Okay, yeah, you go for Mackenzie.
There you go. Get to it. Good. That's tall.
Or did
That's
wait?
what we need.
No, Kylie. Mackenzie just went back in. Stay up.
You gotta keep running. If you pass, there's no one there. It's still your ball. Stay on it.
Hannah, wait! Layla! Oh my god!
Go down the field. No, you gotta find the split.
Ellie, go to goal.
Gotta find the split.
All right, Layla, you go in for Lena then, okay?
That's you.
I know.
There you go, girls.
Good job, Tessa.
All right, Rain.
Rain, fight! Go, Ava!
Ava, don't be timid. Hey,
Take a slow touch.
just say, girls, find that split, okay? Don't just kick it. Find that split.
Ellie, don't run with her. Run next to her.
Here you go. Spread out, girls. All right. There you go. Get to it. Now, you got it in the middle if you can get it there. Pass it. Hey, girls, that's going to be there again. Hannah, that was a good pass. Get it out of there. There you go. Get to it. Get.
Out wide, Damari. Tessa, you're helping.
There you go, Lila. Don't give up on it.
Can I go in right now?
No.
There you go. Keep going. There you go. Now, in, Layla. Get back, Layla. All right, get back, girls. Get back. Do it again. Lila, push up.
Tessa behind you.
Do it again. That's her. Get to it, get to it. Talk, Lila, come over. Get in front of the goal, Lila.
Our ball.
It's white throw. Get ready. It's white throw. Get back. Mark up. Get back here. Lila, get down there.
Ava, get in. There's only a couple seconds left. Prevent the goal.
Get it out of there. There you go. Nice. Get to it, Hannah. Ava, get down the field. There you go. There you go.
Taste this water. Bring it in. It tastes so weird.
Nice communication, girls.
Yeah. It's pickle juice.
Get ready up there.
No shots, Damari. No shots.
Get to it, Ava.
Come on, Ava!
Come on, Hannah! Come on! Yes! This is our only hole. Good job, Hannah! Come on, Hannah! Got this, Hannah!
Down the corner, down the corner.
Put it in the corner.
Corner.
Come on, Hannah!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Run back, run back.
There you go.
Hey, Hannah!
All right, get back.
Actually.
Settle them shots, girls.
Down there.
Settle them shots, okay?
It's not
You have time.
I know, still she should be down there.
Get in there, Vivian.
There you go.
She should have been outside. No, Hannah White is keeping up. Hannah White is offensive.
Don't meet her.
Joey! That's you,
Up, outside, outside. Hannah, you can play
Go,
back.
go, go, go. Down the corner, down the corner.
Go, Hannah! Oh.
It's all right, that's all right.
It's all right, Hannah.
Hannah, use her to train her ball when you that middle's going to be open. Yep.
Hannah, get in front of somebody. Don't worry about it.
Grace! Stop hitting Austin.
There you go. There you go.
Pass it.
Pass.
Back. Vivian.
Pass it. Outside, outside. Cross it.
If you don't like her,
Girls. Lila. Lila, come back a little bit more.
Lila, back up.
There you go. Hannah, that's where you're supposed to be.
Come on, guys!
There you go, Hannah.
Down the corner, down the corner.
Dribble.
That's you, Ellie!
Thank you.
Lila, take it.
Whoa, Hannah White. Hannah White, go.
Down. All right, Rain, be easy, okay?
Yeah! Woo!
Who scored it?
Hannah did. Good job, Hannah.
You know what?
Ellie,
Right.
Clara, Grace Underwood,
Wait,
Julia.
which one?
How do you
Hannah and-
respond?
Hannah White.
Go, Hannah White!
All right.
Let's go, Ellie!
Get ready, girls.
Turn!
Lila,
Go,
turn
get
around.
another one, come on. Outside, outside, outside. Outside, outside, down here, outside.
Save it.
Our ball.
Okay.
All right, good, good,
Rain.
good, good.
Back it up.
Ready.
Watch the
Get ready,
middle.
Hannah. There you go.
Yes,
You got Addie, stay on sides.
Go, Hannah. Go, Hannah.
Keep it.
Keep it in there.
There you go. Cross it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Literally under my leg. How else am I supposed
Up. Get, turn around. Turn around.
Push up!
There you go.
Yes, Julia. Again, Julia.
Take it up, Addie.
Outside, outside.
L-I-O-N-N.
Oh. All right, Zaya, Haley, Maddie, Addie R.
I'm Ava. I texted Ava. Ava texted you.
Get to it, girls. Come on. Maddie.
Right in the corner. Finally, it went in the net.
Up the field.
Wasn't there? We could actually win this.
Haley.
Go, Haley!
Stop it, stop it, stop it first, stop it first. Back up, girls. Back up.
You're going to go back in. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Step back a little bit, Haley. And Lila, step back a little bit. There you go.
Nice. Nice. Go, go. Cross it.
Take it,
Hey,
Eddie.
shoot it, shoot it. Turn, turn. Oh.
She would have passed.
Maddie, come down here.
Look at me. No, you passed it to Hannah. Hannah goes in. Ava gave me a little touch so I could chip it in. Yes, but
Oh, nice.
that was such a good kick. Lila passed it to me. Like, she was like on this side. She was on this side of the goal, and I needed it to that side.
Look, sit down, sit down.
It was funny. Accidentally get
No, okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You should.
Go, 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 go.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
Follow it up. Follow, get over there.
Hustle back, Lena.
Get back. Tough girls. Tough girls, get up there. All right, get right, Haley. Get across the middle. Get across the middle. Send it in the middle. Get back.
Go get it out!
Nice, Layla. Nice, Layla.
All right, now girls.
Go, Haley. Down the corner. Put it down the corner. Down the corner for now. Down the corner. Down the corner.
Haley, don't push. She's pushing me.
Stop.
All right.
Good job, Lena. Yes, Lena. You're doing amazing. Yes, Lena.
Hey.
Whose ball?
Don't plump. Lena, get back a little
Down
bit.
back. Get ready, girls.
Pitch it a little bit. Good. Big foot over the head. Come on, Addie. Oh, never mind. Good job. Yes, Layla. Stay
you
with
go.
the ball.
That's you, Liz. Go ahead.
Pass it. Pass it.
Send it
Get to
outside.
it. Get to it. Yeah. Down the field. There you go, girls. Get ready. All right, mark up, girls.
Who are you going in for?
Mark up.
Haley.
Get back. Mark up, girls. Yours, Addie.
I'm like, you don't do that to my friend. I heard baseball.
Get back. Push up. Get white ball. Addie, get back. No.
Who do we got out there?
Let's go, Addie.
All right,
You just want to do all the offense? Yeah.
Mackenzie, or you're in for Maddie. Addie,
Yeah,
Addie
get
for
up.
Maddie.
Addie and Ava, get up there.
There only is one Maddie. You're Addie for Maddie. Zaya,
The people that took your spot.
get up in 50.
Okay, girls, mark up here.
You're Zaya. You're Maddie. You're Maddie.
Get out of there.
It's Maddie.
Yeah, the wings on that side. Yeah, where you were.
Go. Down the field, Haley. Down the field. Get away from her. Oh my gosh.
Haley, take it outside, not
Outside, outside.
Get back. Lila.
Outside.
back up.
Get that back to the outside. Outside. Nice.
Thank you. Outside, Mackenzie. Keep going. Addie R, get down there.
Dang it. Go, go kick. Subs, go. Yell their name. Yell their name.
There you go, Lena.
Down the line. Down the line.
Remember, keep it to the outside, girls. Get back. Get back. Get back. All right. Come on, Hannah. There you go,
That's
Hannah.
Shoot downside.
No. Get back. Turn
Oh,
around.
shit.
Turn around.
Outside.
Yes, Layla!
Hannah, Lila, and
Wait, if there's a tie, we want the...
there you go, Addie!
Hold on, we're offside. Lena's over here.
Lena took me. Lena took me.
Back there.
Someone's gonna still score.
Got the middle.
Lila, Lila, hurry up. Go, Young.
Can I go in, Elizabeth?
Hold on. Let me get this going first.
How much time's left?
6 minutes.
You're gonna go in for Layla.
We got to get.
No, please.
We got to get Hannah back in.
No.
Crash on it.
Crash it.
Go, shoot it.
That's yours.
It's you, Lila.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
Come on, come on.
There you go. Take it back. Get back, Lila.
Oh.
Position. Hannah, get back a little bit.
Lily, reset! Find your center!
Hope so.
Get back a little bit.
Oh.
See, this one is so big. That's gonna be a penalty.
Keep fighting. You got the middle.
Kylie, back out to the 50.
Come up your meter, Lila.
Yes. You were going for rain then.
LEP, get back in defense. You're fine. You didn't get a yellow card. You're good.
Oh, no. It's okay, Layla.
There you go, Hannah. You got people in the middle.
Shoot it.
Shoot it, Addie. All right, get up, get up. Reset, reset. Same thing, same thing. Same thing, Addie. Come back, come back. Space out here, space out here.
Our ball, our ball. Layla, take it. Layla, take it.
Okay, get down, girls.
Got it, Ellie. Take it deep.
Ready. Down the field.
Down the line.
She's the defensive. She's the
Down the field. Nice, nice.
Get to it.
What do we got left?
45 seconds.
All right, get back, girls.
Hold them off for 40 seconds, girls.
Stand back.
Outside, outside. Stay outside. Stay on the outside.
Get back, Hannah, get back. Lila, get back.
Layla, get back.
Addie R, get back. Addie R, get back.
We got it. 5 seconds. Yeah!
Good job, girls.